Hello everybody, everything's good. Today I will talk about some information about crypto security and how you can protect your cryptocurrencies in digital wallets and tips for you don't get hacked. The main ideas will be: number one, what types of wallet we have, what are their differences, what is important to analyze in order to have your funds protected, and what are the safest options today. So if you like this type of video and you want to understand more about cryptocurrency security, stay until the end because I promise to talk about important information about these technologies. Now enough of bullshit and let's go to work. Well guys, my name is Victor. I'm a creator of blockchain market analysis and I have been working in cryptocurrency market for years. Before I start, I wanted to say that if you like this type of video, please like this, you will help me a lot, and comment your opinion about these videos, okay? And guys, all the information I'm going to pass on this video, I will leave in the description the source. Because if you want to study more on this subject, you can access this, okay? Another thing, if you have questions about this crypto market, especially for those who are starting the market right now, example, question about how to buy Bitcoin, how to invest, how to store in a wallet, or question about specific altcoin, please leave these ideas in the comments that I will promise answer them the best way I can do, okay? So let's start by talking about the types of wallets. If you have invested in cryptocurrencies, then it is beneficial to store them in a wallet. Do you know how many wallets are out and which one is the best for you? It's necessary to have wallets to protect your investments, but choosing the right wallet can be confusing, a little bit confusing. Cryptocurrency wallets can be hacked and your cryptos are as safe as your wallet. Different types of wallets differ in purpose. A crypto wallet, it is used to interact with a blockchain network. There are three major types of crypto wallets: are hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets. A hardware wallet we usually call hard wallet, and it is a device which you need to confirm the transaction through some manual confirmation. It is usually by pressing a button on the device. Software wallets we call as soft wallets, and they are developed in a software and are accessed through a login and password with access to internet or not. And finally, we have the paper wallet, which is a paper that you can convert the access information from the blockchain to a unique and exclusive paper, where only on this paper we can access your funds within the blockchain network. Now, I will talk a little about my opinion and give some examples of wallets I already know in the market. About paper wallet, I don't particularly like it because just like physical money, you can lose, tear, get wet, counterfeited, and in addition to the security, we are having something physical to buy stolen, for example. In addition, the process of creating paper wallet, it is not so easy, intuitive. For example, I don't know how to do it. But if you know how to create a paper wallet and understand what you are doing, then that's fine, that's okay. About the most used wallets, we have Trezor and Ledger and KeepKey, this is a hard wallet, and BRD, BitPay, Exodus, Electrum, and Blockchain.com. This is a software wallet. Okay, I will talk a little bit about this. Of all these types of wallets, before I start, I wanted to say don't use blockchain.com. This is the most hacked wallet in the world. It was operational vulnerability. It has operational vulnerability, and if you just Google some information about this wallet, you will see as many reports of people talking negatively about these wallets. Some people own the domain of blockchain.com website, and generally people who do not research properly end up putting their funds in that wallet, and this is not so good. So you can be vulnerable to hacking attacks. This is the only one wallet that I do not recommend, and in this case it is better you leave your money at an exchange like Binance. It is safer than leaving the blockchain.com. About the Trezor and Ledger, both are hard wallets, that is, they are physically separated from the digital world. That is, to realize a transaction physically is necessary, physical access is necessary to the transaction occur. And this is so much better than any cell phone or desktop wallet. Another personal tip: if you want to further increase your security of your hard wallet, you can add Shamir backup, so that you will increase the amount of the passphrase, which are the keywords for you to have access to the backup. Research this because it is useful and interesting. So remember, Shamir backup. Okay? The Keep Key hard wallet is still underused for me, but Ledger and Trezor are well regarded. Lately, the Ledger has presented some bugs in its use. That's why I particularly prefer Trezor. It is easy to access, but both brands are good. It is European brands. Remember guys, another tip: sometimes there is a firmware update on these wallets, just like smartphones that we have to update. Do you know? So with these wallets, updates also happen, and it is indicated that after 48 hours of the updated suggestion that you really do. Why is that? It is to make sure that this update is free of bugs, and to analyze the official Twitter of these companies, because they put important information there for the customers. Guys, another important detail about the hard wallet updates: in every update there is a document called changelog. What is this? It is a document that presents what will be updated. I will leave a document in the description of this video as an example for you. It is a Ledger changelog. In this document there are technical terms, but it is important that you read it before starting the update, because if it is something critical, something very important update, it will be writing on you, and you will know if this update is something that leaves the user of the wallet vulnerable. So always be careful, okay? Then you may be wondering, how this is hard? I have to buy a wallet, make updates, understand these updates, check company news, take care of my password and keywords. But guys, that is the price you pay for having this financial freedom, because with cryptocurrencies you are your own bank and do whatever you want with your money and any way you want, but for that all responsibility it is yours. Guys, another personal tip: if you are going to buy a hard wallet, do not buy used ones. Never do this. This is very dangerous, and it is possible you losing your assets is high, and after you lost, you have no one to complain, right? There is no Bitcoin claim here, because you are your own bank. That is why it is never recommended to buy used, and it is not recommended to buy on Amazon, for example, only buy directly from the manufacturer or authorized dealer. Talking a little about Exodus, it is a soft wallet. It is the most beautiful wallet in my opinion today. It is the easiest to use, but there is a problem, and that is important to say. Understand this environment. In the world of decentralization, like cryptocurrency, blockchain technology itself, there is a phrase that says, don't trust, verify. So that is why is a decentralized environment where programming and the source code is open source. Everything is auditable. That is, we can see, for those who understand programming, the source code and decide if it is a good application or not. Exodus, in this case, does not have an open source. And in this environment, who can guarantee me if I put 1 Bitcoin in Exodus, next week will still be there? What confidence and what guarantee I have? In contrast, in another side, for example, we have the wallet called Electrum. It is more difficult to use, accepts only Bitcoin, is not as intuitive as Exodus does, but it has an open source code. Is auditable by the community, and many people use it. It is a great option, even more because you have the option of make multiple signed wallet at your Electrum. And what is this? It is to make a wallet that if you do a transaction, you need to confirm on more than one device. Then you can put a computer, a cell phone, a tablet to confirm on these 3 devices and thus be able to do a transaction. And DEX exponentially increase the security of your assets with Electrum. Okay? We also have the BRD wallet and BitPay. Both are good, but BRD in particular presented some issues, so I do not advise much. And BitPay has proved to be an interesting option as well. Now it is my turn to ask you, what are the main wallets you used and have used? Tell me a little bit about you. Do you have any information, or would you like to know more about these crypto wallets? Please answer them in the comments that I asked. I will definitely read all the comments, and I am very interested to know your opinion. And again, thanks for the support. Enjoy this video, like these videos for me, help me share with your friends in Telegram, Facebook, okay? So that's it. A hug for you, good trades, a wonderful week for everybody, and remember, let's make money from the market. Bye bye, see you.